Today we fly over Anykščiai, one of Lithuania's most popular tourist towns. People are attracted here, not by some single massive landmark, but rather by a large number of smaller attractions, with unique fabled stories behind them. Firstly, it is not Vilnius or Kaunas, but Anykščiai, that boasts the tallest church in entire Lithuania. The twin Gothic revival towers of St. Matthew's rise above the entire town, and Šventoji River. You may ascend one of the 1909 towers to enjoy this panorama for yourself. Anykščiai has recently received a new vantage point. It quickly became one of Lithuania's most popular. That is the Canopy Walkway, rising amidst, and above, the green Anykščiai forests. Near the entrance to the Canopy Walkway, lies the Punčikas stone, long believed to be the largest in Lithuania. In the myths, Punčikas is regarded to be left there by a devil who failed to drop it on Anykščiai church. This has inspired the local metal music festival to be named Devil's Stone. In 1943, Lithuanian sculptor Punčius chiseled Punčikas into a bas-relief of Dadias and Gediminas, the first Lithuanian pilots who crossed the Atlantic Ocean. He had to work in secret, as Lithuania was occupied by the Nazi Germany at the time, and his work was a symbolic defiance. Not any less famous is the Anykščiai's narrow-gauge railway. In the late 19th century, it grew to become one of the largest narrow-gauge systems in Europe, stretching hundreds of kilometers over what, at the time, was the Russian Empire. No longer used for the purpose of transportation, the part of the narrow-gauge railroad route around Anykščiai has been restored for tourist services. Unbelievably, most of the original 19th-century wooden train stations survive completely, up to the authentic outhouses and water wells from the times when plumbing was not yet available in the area. Anykščiai station also serves as the Lithuanian Narrow-Gauge Railroad Museum. According to some, Anykščiai may in fact be the oldest Lithuanian town of them all. These historians claim that a barren hill near Anykščiai is the location of the mysterious Voruta city, where Lithuania's first king Mindaugas had been crowned in the 13th century. While the theory is disputed, next to Voruta Castle Hill, a wooden castle was recently rebuilt, to help Anykščiai visitors imagine its fabled past. Anykščiai works tirelessly to become a kind of resort, even though it lacks a nearby lake, sea, or hot springs. Anykščiai thus adds new tourism opportunities every other year, ranging from a skiing hill, to a so-called summer sled, to a wakeboard park, to a labyrinth park, to Museum of Angels. There are few towns in Lithuania that can easily take up an entire day for a tourist. Anykščiai is definitely one of them. Do you want to learn about other towns like that? Subscribe, like, and watch more Lithuanian drone tour videos.